Business Bureau tonight is warning consumers about several timeshare scams. Consumer investigator Jennifer Krause checked out the companies and tells us why the BBB has issued an alert and how consumers have lost thousands of dollars.
These companies have two things in common. Number one, they're taking money, according to the Better Business Bureau, from unsuspecting timeshare owners. And number two, their advertised offices are not where they claim to be. If you have a timeshare you don't want anymore, then all three of these companies claim they'll help you sell it. Title Deed and Auction says it has experience and expertise. Blue Ridge International Sales claims to have expert customer service agents. And New World Asset Connections touts it is one of the top timeshare resale companies. But the Better Business Bureau calls all three schemes. In this just released alert, the Better Business Bureau warns that the companies lead consumers to believe that they can resell their timeshare and claim they have a buyer already lined up. But first, according to the BBB, consumers are told they have to pay an upfront fee, usually between $2,000 and $4,000. Then the company comes back and wants another $2,000 or $3,000 for taxes. And then they ask for another $2,000 or $3,000 for a so-called transaction fee. The BBB recommends staying away from companies that do this sort of thing and instead use a broker that gets a fee or commission only after the timeshare sells. But an even bigger red flag here is where these companies claim to be. We checked out the addresses they list as their home or corporate offices. This is where Blue Ridge International Sales lists its office. Yes, it's a parking lot in Metro Center. And the address for New World Asset Connections is also a parking lot, this one downtown on 2nd Avenue. And while Title Deed and Auction posts on its website, your headquarters location reflects greatly on how the general population perceives your business, well, we found the address they list as their corporate office is actually a UPS store. The BBB gives all three of these companies an F. None of them is registered to do business in Tennessee, nor do any of them have a required state real estate license. We did call all three companies. New World Asset Connections insisted the address for their office is correct. The other two companies we were unable to reach. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 investigates.
If you are looking to sell a timeshare, the BBB says be sure to confirm the address of the company and make sure it's in fact licensed. Avoid paying fees for services in advance and don't fall for a hard sell or any other offer that sounds too good to be true.